In this video, I'm going to show you a cool little trick. POF is still hackable, so to speak, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the people when you click interested in me, because normally when you go there it's all blurred out and they want your money so you can see who they are. Well, all you got to do is first you go to this page where there's this free bookmarklet that allows you to view hidden content on a website. It's 100% free. It's safe. I use it all the time. Go to nbots.me/BCO10 to download it. And the bookmarklet's right here. You just you press down on the bookmarklet with your mouse, hold the mouse button down, drag it up on your bookmarks bar and release it. And then what you do is you go, when you're on this page, the interested in me page, click the bookmarklet and it's going to unblur everything, but the pictures are going to be like distorted. So just resize the browser until you can see the people more clearly, and then you could see who not only viewed you but who likes you. Not all of them, but the first page. And then all you got to do is go into the POF search feature and then do a search for members in your area, and then just look for the picture that matches the pictures you just looked at. So that's a little tip where you can do some more stuff on Plenty of Fish without having to give them any of your money.